This 2019 Jayco Precept 31UL is a Class A RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, external shower, oven, stove top burner, skylight, awning, refrigerator, leveling jacks, LP detector, TV antenna, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, couples coach, front dinette, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2019 Jayco Precept 31UL is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.